Assalamu alaikum students, this is Miss Meher Munir to teach you English language. Hope you all are doing good. This video is about content number 2, that is articles. You all have been learning articles since many years. So now let's again start articles and revise what you have been learning. What are articles? An article is a word that signals the appearance of a noun. Whenever a noun is going to be appeared, we start the sentence with an article. Kinds of articles are given to you. There are 3 articles in English grammar. They are a, an, and the. There are 3 articles. There are 3 kinds of articles. These 3 kinds signals the appearance of a noun. This chart shows that a and n are categorized in indefinite articles, and the third one, the, is the definite articles. When I am telling you definite article, it's understood that I am talking about the, and when I am talking about indefinite articles, it is again understood that I am talking about both the starting articles, that is a and n. Uses of a and n. Here are some rules that will make you clear that how are we going to use a and n. Rule number 1. A is used if the first letter of a word begins with a consonant, as a car, a boy, and a cow. As you all can see that the first letter of car is a consonant, which is C. Again, the first letter of boy is B, which is again consonant, and the third word cow is also starting with a consonant. So we used a with all the 3 nouns. Rule number 2. N is used if the first letter of a word begins with a vowel, as an egg and ice cream. Egg starts with a vowel and ice cream also starts with a vowel. When you see a vowel in the starting of a noun, you use the article n. Rule number 3. If U sounds a, n is used as an umbrella. Umbrella. In umbrella, it is not umbrella, it is umbrella. When I am speaking a, it will be start with n. Rule number 4. If U sounds y, if U sounds y, a is used as a university. A university. It is not a university, it is a university. Rule number 5. If the word starts with a vowel sound, n is used as an hotel. An hotel. Because I spoke like hotel. An hotel. So I used n. Rule number 6. If the first letter is E but the second letter is U, sounds a is used as an European. The first letter is E and the second letter is U, and I spoke like an European. Let's learn the rules of using the definite article, which is the. Rule number 1. Before the unique things, the sun, the moon. Sun and moon are unique things and are heavenly bodies. We use the with all the heavenly bodies. The earth, the sun, and the moon. Rule number 2. Before particular persons or things, when a noun is a particular one, when I am using the particular noun, I will use the. The girl in blue, because it is a particular one. The girl in blue. It is not only girl, it is the girl in blue. So I used the. Second example, the earth. Again, it is particular and heavenly body also, so I used the. Rule number 3. Before persons or things understood from the context. When something or when the appearance of a noun is understood, we will use the, like in the bathroom, on the table. Before singular nouns, representing the whole class. When a noun is representing the whole class, we will use the as an appearance. The police is very vigilant these days. Police is representing the whole class, so we used the before police because it is representing the whole class with a singular word. Police is a singular word, but it is representing the whole class, the complete class. Rule number 5. Before superlative degrees, the tallest, the most useful. Tallest is the superlative adjective, superlative degree of adjective, and most useful is again the superlative degree. Before the superlative degrees we use the, which is definite article. This is a chart to make the concept of articles more clear. Definite article the, specific and particular. For example, I am reading out the blue boxes. For example, please close the door. It is again understood, or it is again particularly spoken that please close the door. Example number B. Example B. Should we watch the movie you just rented? Should we watch the movie? It is again particularly spoken. It is again specified that we are talking about the movie that the person rented, so we used the. It is not a common movie, it is the movie which the person rented. Explanation. The speaker and the listener know exactly which door and which movie. This is all I spoke to you just before the explanation part. The door is a very specific door that he/she wants to be closed. The movie is a very specific movie, not just any movie. Let's come to indefinite articles a and an. General. It is just general or common. Again I am reading the blue part. Please close a door. It is please close a door. Example B. Should we watch a movie? The quality of this chart, or the positive thing of this chart, is that they are using the same examples to make you clear that how we are going to fill the blanks with the articles. Explanation again. The speaker does not mean anything specific. He/she wants the listener to close any door and also watch any movie. This is not a particular door and neither the particular movie. There is not a particular door or particular movie he/she is talking about. Here are some sentences to make the concept of articles more clear. Let's discuss so that we will be able to understand articles in a better manner. We shall be back in an hour. We shall be back in an hour. I used n because I'm not speaking it like hour. I am speaking it like the h is silent. I'm speaking it like hour. So we shall be back in an hour. Sentence number 2. The lion is the biggest of all cats. Again I am specifying the animal, which is lion, so I used the, and there is again a superlative degree which is biggest, so I used the before biggest. The lion is the biggest of all cats. Sentence number 3. He has a 50 rupee note. I used a because it is a singular noun. A note. I am focusing on note. I am not focusing on 50. I am focusing on note, which is there is no s in note, so I used a. It is a singular word. Sentence number 4. You must wait for an opportunity to speak to him. As we learned that when we are using a, we use n. When we are speaking the sound of a, we use n. So that in the sentence number 4, you must wait for an opportunity to speak to him. Sentence number 5. I want to become an actress. Again, actress is starting with a vowel, so I used N. Sentence number 6. They are in a hurry. They are in a hurry. This is a consonant, so I used a. Hurry starts with the word H. H is a consonant, so I used a. I'm repeating again and again just to make clear and just to make it, more understandable, because repentance is good, really good. Sentence number 7. Always speak the truth. Truth is again a particular thing. I'm talking about something specific. I'm talking about the truth, so I used the. Sentence number 8. Help the needy. Again I am using the, because the needy is the singular word, but it is showing the complete class of people who are poor, so I used the here. Sentence number 9. Steel is the toughest metal. Again toughest is the superlative degree, so I used the here. Sentence number 10. She wants to become an engineer. She wants to become an engineer. E is the vowel, is a vowel, sorry. E is a vowel, so I used N here. Again I am concluding the video with a quote which I found very useful and very attractive. Let's read it out and understand it also. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Seriously, if you have education, you can change the world. It is a weapon. If you are learning something, you are being groomed. So don't stop your education, no matter what, no matter how things are difficult or anything. Just learn and don't stop your education. If you found any query in the whole video, or you have any questions regarding articles, I am there to teach you or to solve your problems. Thank you so much.